Hi everybody, it's More Life. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. I'm sorry about that. But today, I'm doing something brand new that has never been shown on my channel. If you guys do not know what Nintendo is, they are a Chinese company, I believe, and they make a lot of cool games. If you ever heard of Mario Kart, Donkey Kong, just plain old Mario or something, they made all those games. So today, I am showcasing Animal Crossing New Horizons. It might be backwards, but okay. Here we go. So here is one of the glitches I found. Well, I literally just found. Then I will show you guys some stuff that will help you. So when you walk up to a tree like this, and I'm not going to explain the trolls or anything, I'm sorry about that. So when you walk up to a tree, this is my character right there. Then you can press X. Okay. You gotta, I think, be right under the tree. Well, that's sad. I don't think it's working anymore. Well, what it did do was when you opened your inventory, it had this weird view over top of your character. Okay, now it's time for the fun stuff. So every single day, you can get, I believe, a couple trees with coins, 5 at least, I believe. Then also 5 wasp drops. And when you see a wasp nest, used to be bees, if you've never gone in it before, I'm on a island right now. I used my Nook Miles ticket, which you can unlock by playing off your loan of 5,000 miles. At this tree right here that I'm standing in front of, there was a wasp nest. Let me see. Do I have it in my inventory? I do not. When it drops down, you'll see the nest. Your character will do this reaction. Then, if you hold down B, you can run. But if you're not fast enough, stop, if they will most likely 99% catch you. Then what you want to do is go to any of your crafting benches around you and find the medicine. So medicine, you need the wasp nest and the clumble of reeds, 3 of them. 1 wasp nest, 3 clumbles of reeds. You can only get the wasp nest if it drops. Here's a fact about these islands. I see when I go here a lot, there's different types of trees. This island, it's showing trees that I'm seeing for the second time because I unlocked the ladder. You can get coconut. And you're probably asking why? Why do you need this coconut or other food? Because if you're playing, maybe even right now, which I am, these give you energy, which help fuel you. Like in the real world, you need energy to do stuff like work. this will do the same thing. So I got 4 coconut from this island, and there might be different. I have seen in other videos there has been peaches, and I believe I haven't got peaches yet. And at the other islands, it might give you a chance to find different sea creatures. I know when I visited one of these islands, I found a sea star for the first time. Okay, and this could be the first spot you maybe get flowers that you never seen before. Like, do you see this little right one right there? It might be hard to see because I'm playing in where I have it in winter. There's also a red, pretend it's there. A yellow, pretend it's there, and the white. So, if you want to find bugs in a tree, like a bagworm, I know they've been there before. So there looks like a little 6 thing, I don't know, most likely. And if you unlock the ladder, and you are lazy like me sometimes and you want to figure out how to make it, or once you unlock it yourself, you are going to another island and maybe your thing glitches out. So you need 4 wood, hardwood, 4 of them, and 4 softwood. No iron nuggets, anything. And speaking of iron nuggets, if you have a flimsy shovel, or a flimsy axe, you could go to a rock and hit it. You could get stone, gold. I know caterpillars and pill bugs, I think, jumped out of them before. And the iron, what was the last thing? Stone, iron, nuggets, gold. Okay. If the comments are unlocked because I really don't know how to do that, just tell me down below or give a like if you know how to do that. So I think that's it. That's all I'm gonna say. I was so joyful you're here, and